We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can a credit repair company really help? If you're considering using a credit repair company to help improve your credit, you may be wondering if it's really worth it. The short answer is yes, a credit repair company can help you improve your credit score and get back on track financially. Credit repair companies are experts in the credit industry and can help you understand the ins and outs of credit repair. They can help you identify errors on your credit report, negotiate with creditors to remove negative items, and provide guidance on how to rebuild your credit. Credit repair companies can also help you understand the credit scoring system and how to use it to your advantage. They can provide you with strategies to increase your credit score, such as paying down debt, disputing errors on your credit report, and using credit responsibly. In addition, credit repair companies can help you stay on top of your credit by monitoring your credit report for changes and alerting you to any potential issues. This can help you stay ahead of any potential problems and ensure that your credit score remains in good standing. Overall, a credit repair company can be a great resource for improving your credit score and getting back on track financially. If you're looking for help with credit repair, it's worth considering a credit repair company to help you reach your financial goals. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.